What's up guys, welcome back once again to the reviews. Today I'm going to be doing sort of a different video. I know I've tested mics and stuff before in the past, but they're like obviously PC mics. This one is going to be a lav mic, which is from Fifine. They didn't send me this one over. They have sent me a mic before, but they didn't send me this one. I bought it to myself because I saw it and I thought this is going to be absolutely brilliant for obviously doing videos like this, doing all my YouTube videos. So I thought I'd buy this, give it a go and see what it's like. And this is the M6 wireless microphone, which is USB-C. So we'll unbox it, we'll have a look at it, and then I'll do some sound testing so you can see how good it is and decide if it's any good for you, depending on obviously what you use it for. If you're doing YouTube yourself, then this might be great for you. So let's have a look. So this is the Fifine M6 wireless microphone. Like I say, it's a USB-C microphone, so it connects to Android phones. Won't connect to Apple. Maybe if you use an adapter it would do, I'm not sure. But this is USB-C for Android devices. I don't know if they do a Apple version as well, but like I say, we'll take a look at this. So USB-C, it uses 2.4 gigahertz wireless connectivity, and you get the microphone and the receiver. There's not really anything to talk to you about on the box other than this. Real-time monitoring. Battery up to 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours use, and up to 50 foot of range, so decent range on that. So let's have a look at what you get. So you get a sort of user guide, which is very simple. It's pretty much plug it in, turn it on. That's all you really need to do. You get a nice little pouch to keep it in if you want to keep it safe. Nice sort of with a sort of snap fit mouth on it, so you get a case to keep that in, which is good. Then you get the microphone, the receiver, and a USB cable for charging it. It is USB-C charged as well, which is USB-C to USB-A cable for charging. Like I say, you get these two bits as well, which are your main parts. And you get your USB-C receiver, which goes into the bottom of your phone, and obviously is powered by your phone. And then you get the microphone itself, which has a USB-C charging port on it to charge that up. That's the only bit you need to charge. That gets its, like I say, gets its power from your phone. It comes with a pop filter installed to obviously prevent any unwanted noise, and obviously comes with a clip on the back as well for clipping onto your shirt or anything, however you're going to put it onto yourself in terms of to record. The receiver as well also has a USB-C pass-through, so if you want to charge your phone at the same time, you can plug into there and charge your phone, or if you've got anything else you need to go in, you can put your USB-C headphones in there, I believe, as well, and monitor it at the same time if you need to. So that's it, guys. We'll basically do some testing now, and you'll be able to hear how good it is. So now, as you can see, I've got the mic plugged in. It's clipped on my shirt here. The transceiver is in the bottom of the phone, which I'm recording from now, and you can hear the quality of it as it is now. So what I'm going to do as I speak about this, I'm going to flick between the sort of this and my Blue Yeti so you can hear the sort of sound quality difference. Obviously the Blue Yeti is a fantastic microphone and really good quality, so this will give you an idea as to how good this is. So here is a test of the Fifine microphone. Here is a test of the Fifine microphone. Here is a test of the Yeti microphone. Here is a test of the Yeti microphone. So hopefully there you can see just how good the quality of this Fifine microphone is. It's absolutely tiny, fits onto your shirt nicely. It's really, really cheap. It's I think I paid 25 or 30 pounds English money for it. So going to be about $35 US. And the quality of it's absolutely brilliant. I hope you agree with me. I've been using this actually for my past probably 10 videos, if not more. I've been using this for a while and thought I'd just do a review of it. So you have been listening to the quality of this microphone for a long time. If you've been watching my other videos, you have already heard how good this microphone is. I just haven't mentioned it before. But the quality of this microphone is absolutely brilliant. Like I say, I'm going to keep flicking this between this and the Yeti so you can get an idea of how good it is, and see what it's all about. The volume of it's really good. It sounds really, really clear. Just pick up a little bit of background noise, but other than that, it's absolutely brilliant. I'm so made up with it. It's made my life a lot easier as well, recording these videos. I don't have to keep chopping in sound recorded from the Yeti into the next to the video and matching it all up and stuff. I can literally just pull the video straight in, and I've already got the sound recorded as I want it. And so that's it, guys. There's not really much more to talk about. If you're looking at a lav mic, a wireless one, even if you're just looking at a normal lav mic, in terms of the price, you might as well go for something like this. I got it from AliExpress. Yeah, I can highly recommend it. Sound quality is absolutely brilliant. Fifine makes some really good stuff. Thank you to them again for sending the previous microphone over. They didn't send this one, but thank you for them for supporting me before. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope this helps you out. If you did enjoy this, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Leave me any comments if you have any comments or questions about it, and I'll leave some links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.